So I'm often asked, can liquidation of a company lead to a recovery? Or perhaps not in the circumstances of the company, but it certainly can in the circumstances of the individuals behind it. One of the biggest challenges that I face every day as an insolvency professional is trying to restructure or rescue a business where the individuals behind it are simply not in the right place to devote the time and energy and resources necessary to rebuild that business. Because let's face it, you can't rebuild a business unless in most cases you rebuild the people behind it. And rather than pulling a thin veil over the factors that are causing a company's insolvency, sometimes it's better to simply bite the bullet, face what the new reality is, and put a company into liquidation. And that process of bringing to an end a company's life can often lead to a rejuvenation of the individuals behind it as they move on to focus on a new chapter in their life. It often leads to a simplification of the parts of their life that had been complex under their old business arrangements. Liquidation is not a solution for every business, but nor is keeping it going when the factors that are driving it into the ground. If you're unsure of what your circumstances are and you'd like some clarity and you want to remove the curtain that's hiding the real circumstances, come and talk to us at Beacon Advisory. We will make a difference for you and the people who mean the world to you. We'll talk soon.